I'm in the sleep. Hi, today the temperature is not very good. It's 4 degrees. It's boring, raining, dusty, and my clothes are new on me. It's not very good. But tomorrow is just Saturday. It's perfect. The wind today is going at 20 kilometers per hour. The sunlight is at 20 o'clock, and the sunbeam is at 6 o'clock. That's that's the prediction for this week and for today, Thursday. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.